Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna cover page view builder widget in Flutter. Let's get started. Here I have an expanded widget. In the child, I'll use page view builder. It has an item builder which requires a build context and an index. I'll pass them and return a container with a light deep purple color. If I save it, we can see the page view on screen. To show the difference between pages, I'll give it a margin of 5 pixels from right side. Now once I save it and try to swipe the page, you can see it has created unlimited pages. But I don't want unlimited swipes. So to control the number of pages, it has an item count property. Here I'll pass 4. Now it will render only 4 pages. At the moment, our page view is working in the horizontal direction. If I want to make it vertical, it has scroll direction property. Here I'll set it to axis.vertical, and in the margin, I'll replace right with the bottom. Once I save and try to swipe the page vertically, you can see now our page view is behaving vertically. All the short form social media apps use this to show reels and shorts. Now let's quickly add some content inside. So here I'll create a list of string type with the name image list, and inside this list I'll paste some images URL. Then in the item count I'll pass the length of this list. Inside the container I'll use box decoration and then move the color inside it. For the image, I'll use decoration image and pass a network image. For URL, I'll pass the list using index so that each page shows a separate image. Once I save it, you can see the images on the screen. To make them fit properly, I'll set boxFit.cover. Now, if I swipe the pages vertically, you can see each page displays a different image. That's the page view builder widget in Flutter. I've dropped the source code link in description.